Okay, so good morning everyone, and thank you for joining me here at the expo stage. I'm excited to give you the small presentation. My name is Sabine Klaus. I'm working in technical support at Zoller Fröhlich for the past 9 years. Over this time I had the opportunity to work closely with customers and partners worldwide, helping them implementing laser scanning solutions in a vast area of applications. Today I'm excited to give you a brief insight into how our products support both terrestrial and mobile laser scanning solutions and helping users significantly increase their productivity. So, first of all, who are we? Zoller Fröhlich is a family-owned company with its headquarters, or with production and development exclusively in our headquarters in the south of Germany. We are having a subsidiary in the US, and we are exporting our products worldwide in more than 60 countries using a reseller network. Among other products such as ferrous and wire processing machines, we are also producing laser scanners for more than 30 years. So we have a lot of experience in this field. So, laser scanning has evolved profoundly over the past decades, which also results in a vast increase of applications. From the digitization of buildings and industrial facilities, there's a very increasing topic which we have, which is the increase of natural disasters and also political instabilities, which rise the pressure to preserve cultural heritage and monuments. Moreover, there are police forces worldwide using laser scanning to gather evidence, to plan ahead of also accidents. And basically, there's a whole world waiting to be scanned. And Z+F tries, or we are delivering products so that we can scan this whole world with the precision it deserves.
3 scanners.
Yeah.
1 vision.
Starting with our terrestrial scanners and just showing you what they can do.
Imager 5024 Essential. Cost-effective and focused on what matters most. Offering an outstanding price-performance ratio, perfect for customers looking for high-end technology at an affordable investment. Upgradable to the advanced or supreme model. Durable touch panel for easy, reliable operation across a wide range of applications. Compatible with Z+F FlexScan for efficient SLAM scanning. Imager 5024 Advanced. A high-performance surveying system for professionals who capture large volumes every day. Equipped with a rugged touch panel and fully compatible with Z+F TopCam and FlexScan. Built for continuous heavy-duty use. Imager 5024 Supreme. Engineered to meet the highest standards. Intuitive touchscreen control with visual feedback and a parallax-free camera integrated into the rotor. Complete with a trusted Z+F smart light. perfect for applications where every detail counts.
So just a small video to show you our terrestrial laser scanners and the applications that can use be. But laser scanning doesn't stand still, and neither do we. As environments and project demands evolve, so must the tools we are using. That is where our Z+F FlexScan comes in. It's a unique solution that combines the accuracy of a high-precision static scanner with the mobility and speed of a SLAM-based system. So what you see here is the guy wearing the backpack. It's the static scanner. You can just unmount it, place it there, and you still have a high-precision static scanner. But the platform itself down there makes it a mobile SLAM system. So this fusion of our static scanner with the SLAM-based platform creates an incredible flexible tool which can adapt to a wide range of application and project demands. And it provides you also with the mobility and the speed you sometimes need. Whether you are scanning complex indoor environments or dynamic construction sites, vast, expansive outdoor areas, this tool provides you with the flexibility and, of course, the accuracy you need so that you get everything from, or the best productivity and quality for your project. So, not just to talking about it, I also want to show you some examples. So here we have an example from more industrial side. It's a bridge, a revolving bridge. And what I want to emphasize is this bridge was not only scanned from on top on the bridge. So we were walking on the bridge, but we also scanned it from underneath it, going with the boat and the FlexScan underneath to capture everything also from the underside. But also monuments, like here the Brandenburg Gate in Berlin, also just captured by passing through, walking through, to more monuments. And as I said, we get a lot of accuracy and details. You can see even the cross on top of the church was captured with fine details, and it was 125 meter distance. So this tool or this product provides you not only with flexibility, but it captures these monuments and everything else with the details they deserve. So what is new? Because the FlexScan has been there for already 2 years or 3 years. What we did, we made it even faster. So we added a new speed, or fasten it up. So from speed plus, we go from speed plus plus. So the scanners you have seen prior, our new series, the Imager 5024, when you add the advanced or the supreme model to your FlexScan, you can now enjoy this increased speed, the speed plus plus, allowing you to either going faster through your projects, to get a denser point cloud, and you spend shorter time on site. So all which translates into greater efficiency and a better project outcome. And also to show you some examples here. So in this picture you can see like the point cloud captured with the regular speed we had until now. You can still see there are some areas where the point cloud is not so dense. With the speed increase, where we nearly doubled the speed, we are filling in these gaps. So you have a way more or much denser point cloud. I think the next example shows it very good. When you look at the facade and this red, I think kind of a truck in front, you can see how much denser the point cloud gets. And even if you are looking at details, like the small road signs over there, with the additional points filling up the holes, you can even read where these signs are leading you to. Okay. Another major upgrade we made is our mobile point cloud viewer, providing live on-site feedback. Up until now, you only could see like a part of your point cloud. You could, of course, stream through, but you could never see everything. What we have now is that you can see your entire scan run. So the whole point cloud is there for you to check. It's on your smartphone, so it's just you use your mobile phone, you connect to the platform, to the system, over your Wi-Fi, and then you can use the mobile, just your internet browser, and see, okay, where am I? What is my point cloud? No app installation is required. It gives you a live feedback during the capturing. You can help you to navigate and inspect the entire point cloud at site to make sure you covered everything and everything is completed. The transparency mode, this is what you have seen in this video, helps you or improves the visibility in complex scenes. So you can also see different levels and review your data. There's also a density mode, which highlights the data quality, so you can see, okay, where are areas where are still lacking data? Where do I need to go again to make sure I covered everything, there is enough detail, so that you can identify underscanned areas and confirm that all necessary surfaces and details are scanned. Yeah, and I'm not sure if I was too fast, but that's already it. So if you want to see our products or applications in real time, if you want to test it out, we are downstairs in the other hall, this direction. You're welcome to join us at our booth, test the system yourself, put it on your bag, and see the data quality. Thank you very much.